Hi friends, welcome to A Wonderful Sheep and welcome to the Permission to Dance Mini Photocard set unboxing. This came just now, so I'm going to open this up with you. Oh, I got 2 of the special sets, so there should be 10 sets in total. And we've got 8 different sets to complete, so let's see how we do. Okay, I've put down a cloth to protect the cards. Let's look at the first set. So they come in these boxes. It's been a while since I've had like a mini photo card unboxing, so it's exciting. I believe this is the group photo card, like that comes in the special set. So it comes in a folder like this. Here we go. And you can see the material is glossy, not too textured. And then this is what the black looks like. Oh my gosh, concert photo cards. How exciting. Okay. All right, here we go. First pack. Oh, the thrill of opening new photo cards. Exciting. Oh, we've got the special card right up front. Okay, these, I guess this is his number 1 card. Oh, it just says special card. And it says, 오랜만이에요. 잘 지냈어요? 보고 싶었습니다. Okay, I'll put captions in later. V is up front for the special card. And then 남준이, 7 of 8. Jin, 6 of 8. Yoongi, 5 of 8. Hobi, 4 of 8. Jimin이, 1 of 8. Jungkook이, 8 of 8. Cute. And unit card. 2 of 4. Oh, there's only 4 unit cards. Interesting. I was not expecting that, but it definitely said 2 of 4. All right. Second pack. Jin special card. Jin special card. 이날만 기다렸다. 어서 옵쇼. He says, like, I've been waiting just for this day. Come on in, or come on. Jin special card. Yay, not a dupe yet. 남준이, 1 of 8. Yoongi, 3 of 8. 호석이, 2 of 8. Jimin이, 7 of 8. No dupes yet, that's good. 5 of 8. Oh wait, I'm gonna have to... Oh, I spoke too soon. Jungkook이, 8 of 8. And this one, 2 of 4. Okay. So they're not in... Just for now. We'll organize them later at the end. Pack 3. Hobie's card. Okay, special card. 남준이's different. 8 of 8. Jin. I like the background. This is kind of buttery. 3 of 8. Yoongi's different. 4 of 8. Jimin이, 2 of 8. Tae, 6 of 8. Jungkook, 5 of 8. A different unit, 4 of 4. So I guess I only need one more unit. That's good. 4th pack. Do. Suga special card. 다들 준비돼. Oh my gosh, their messages are like very concert themed. Like I guess they knew they were going to be holding in-person concert. So this looks new. 2 of 8. Jin, 8 of 8. Hobi, oh, serious Hobi. 3 of 8. Jiminee, 5 of 8. Oh, this is new too. I like the props, 4 of 8. Oh, we've got props. We've got phones and guitars, 1 of 8. 3 of 4. Oh, did I finish the units? 2, 3, 4. Okay, no, I just need 1. Wait, I'm confused. What? I don't know what the printing, there must be 8 units then, because these are both, they both say 2 of 4. Oh, I guess they've labeled it by units. So it's like 4 of this unit and 4 of this unit. Yeah. So there, we'll see, but there must be 8 units, 4 and 4. Jungkook special card. I feel like he was written like a lot. He usually writes long messages. Yep. Aww. Signature pose. This looks, I've seen this one before. Yep, dupe. This looks new. 5 of 8. Suga. You look new. 7 of 8. Hobi. 3 of 8. Oh, yep, dupe. Jiminee heart looks new. 8 of 8. Taeyoung looks familiar. 6 of 8. What's this? There's a blank card in this pack. I don't know why. Am I missing one? Hold on. 4 of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Starting to get nervous. 2nd pack. I only ordered 2 special packs. I didn't order any extra single packs, so come on. Okay. Oh no. Jungkook, is this gonna be a duplicate pack? Okay, we've got dupes. Jungkook special card, and this Namjoon is a dupe. 8 of 8. You look different. 7 of 8 for Jin. Okay, let's still enjoy the photos. Yoongi looks different. 6 of 8. Hobi is different. 1 of 8. Jiminee looks different. 5 of 8. I've got a lot of Jungkook dupes. No. Jiminee's a dupe. Taeyoung, oh, this time at the drums. 2 of 8. And a unit. This looks new. 3 of 4. Next, what is this? Pack 7. I hope at least I have everyone's special card. Jiminee. Oh, everyone's message is like geared towards the concert. He's like, let's dance and play until we lose our voices today. Jiminee special card. So I don't have Namjoon special card. 3 of 8 for Namjoon. Jin looks familiar. 4 of 8. Oh no, maybe he's new. That's good. Yoongi. 5 of 8. Dupe. Hobi looks different. This full body shot or close to full body shot. 7 of 8. Tae looks different. 5 of 8. Jungkook looks different. 6 of 8. And a unit. 1 of 4. 8. Pack 8. Here we go. Come on, Namjoon special card. Hobi special card. Dupe. 3 of 8. This looks familiar. Jin, 4 of 8. Suga, 8 of 8. This might be new. I think this is new. Jiminy looks different, these hands. 6 of 8. Tae looks new, I think. No. Wait, I don't know. 1 of 8. Aw, finger hearts. Jungkook, 5 of 8. And unit, 4 of 4. I'm confused now because they've separated out the units. So we'll have to reassess. One, two, three. Wait, is there a special card and a number 1 card? Do I have to do 9 sets? Oh no, there's a special card and a number 1 card. That means it's 9 sets. Okay, so out of 9 I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my gosh. All right, pack 8. Tae special card. RM looks different. 5 of 8. Jin, 1 of 8. Yoongi, 6 of 8. Hobi, 2 of 8. Oh, dupe. Jiminy, I don't think I've seen this teacup before. 3 of 8. Yeah, you look different. Jungkook looks different too. 4 of 8. And the unit, is it focusing? I hope these have been in focus. Pardon me if they haven't. 3 of 4. Oh, this is a dupe. I don't know what I'm missing, but I definitely didn't complete any of the sets. Just checking for JK. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last set. Oh, I didn't get RM special card. Jin special card. This one I've gotten a couple of, I feel like. 5 of 8. Yoongi. This looks new, maybe? 1 of 8. Hobi, this is cute. This looks new. 6 of 8. Teacup again for Jiminy. 3 of 8. This I feel I've seen. Maybe not, I'm not sure. 8 of 8. Jungkook. 2 of 8. And a unit. 1 of 4. Okay, I will I will come back and redo and see what dupes I have and what I need to trade for. Be back in a sec. Right, here's the final tally out of, so special card and then 1 through 8. So there's 9 cards to collect per member. For Namjoon, missing special card 4 and 6, Jin 2, Yoongi 2, Hobi 5 and 8, Jiminy 4, Taeyoung and Jungkook missing 3 and 7, and actually have all the units. And yeah, it was a little confusing, but the unit cards are separated into the units, so it's 1 of 4, like 4 for this unit set, and then 4 for this unit. So I've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 cards to look for. Into the trading frenzy we go. But thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I didn't order much from PTD this time. I have a Jungkook keychain coming too, which I'll probably just upload a short maybe for that, since it's just one thing. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!